Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Manfred, and in this video we are going to explain how to enable the Developer tab in Excel for Windows. The fastest way to do this is to just right-click on any of the ribbon tabs here and choose Customize the ribbon. That will bring up the Excel options window here and will open the Customize Ribbon tab here. And within this tab over here on the right side, we have a list of all the tabs in the ribbon of your Excel. And the Developer tab is right here. By default, the Developer tab is unchecked. So just left-click this box to check the Developer tab and enable it, and then click OK. This will enable the Developer tab, and you should now see it here in your ribbon. We only have to do this once. Every time we open Excel now, the Developer tab will be loaded. The Developer tab contains buttons to help us with macros and VBA. We can add controls here to our worksheet. And we will have the Visual Basic button over here that opens the VBA editor. Keyboard shortcut is Alt plus F11. There are other buttons to record macros or show a list of all of your macros. And then we can open the add-ins window for the Microsoft Store or the Excel add-ins and all these different controls here. So that's how to enable the Developer tab. Again, you only have to do this one time, and then it will be available every time you open Excel. Hopefully this video has been useful for you. If it has, please subscribe and click the like button below the video. Leave a comment with any questions or feedback, and I'll see you in the next video.